Dude, I manjied 3 times.
I saw that.
No control.
At least I can ride behind you. You won't roost me.
Oh, dude, no roost. I'm grooming the trail. I'm the Zamboni.
Staring over that stretch into the horizon with my eyes and ears closed, sealed with a clear coat. I'm at a loss for words, but I know a lot of words for loss. Got a whole lot of excuses to curse and stomp. Fuck you very much and kiss me goodbye because I'm leaving on the next high. All copulatory systems ain't no sex allowed. Now all crowd around me and show me what you found. He got the truth and she got the groove, and they raped the youth and he's got the proof. Now nobody move, nobody gets nowhere. Progress halt, it's all my fault and I don't care. Here I am, behold this pale whore, kinda sore throat, bloke on tour, through the core of hell, following the course, endorsed by the force. And honey, I just wanna hug your curves like a Porsche. Go ahead, throw them swords back, issues on the fire, to fuel the flame, get me high, lose the blame, let me smile. Tonight's the night, you crack me a lowing brow and touch my swollen crown when I hold it down. On the level of actually, she found me flaccid, skipped class to be fashionably absent. Got me thinking, coffee drinking, toss my ink across the loose leaf light. Watch me sink into the mind state of how I'm awake to find fate. Let the pupils dilate, fly high like the crime rate. Mosquito bait, baby, keep me up to date. Who you love today? Give me a pound and I'm on my way. Now I'm mad at that imaginary line that's on the floor. What do you mean we should stay in touch? What for? Not exactly sure if I agree with your